Hey there, welcome back to Javascript tutorial. Today we're going to look into the include method. It's a method that allows you check if a certain value is among its entries, either an array or a string. It returns a Boolean value as appropriate. And when I mean Boolean value, it returns true or false. So let's quickly check one or two examples. We can start by creating a string. I already have mine saved as my string, which has a random text. Hello, this is a sample string. Now let's create a variable called substring to find. So I have const substring to find equals sample. We want to see if this substring is in our string. Now, to check if the string contains our desired substring, we would use the includes method. And here is how to do it. So I'm going to be calling the includes method on my string. So I have const is substring included equals my string, the initial string, dot includes substring to find. So this variable would now hold a Boolean value if our substring is in strings. It will be true, and if it's not, it will be false. So to see how it works, let's console is substring included. So I have console.log is substring included. Great. So let's run that. So I have true. But if this isn't included in my string, it will return a false value. So let's go over example number 2. I'm sure most times you think about when you're onboarding on a new application or a new website, you get error messages saying that this email already exists or this username already exists. The include method is one of those ways that this can be achieved. So let's see how that works. So I already have an array of existing user. And now I have to declare a variable to check if this user already exists before. So I have const user to check, right? Or username, username to check, right? Equals, let's say, JS with Tola, right? So we're going to be calling the include method on existing user to check if username is already taken. So I have const is username taken equals existing user dot includes username to check, right? So if it's true, it means the username is already taken, and you can tell the user, sorry, this username is not available. And if it's false, you can say the username is available. So I'm going to be using an if statement. So if is username taken, I want to console the log sorry, that username is not available. Yeah, it's available. Else console the log great idea or great choice, whatever you want, right? Good choice. Your username is available. Right? So we're going to run that and see what this gives us. Sorry, that username is not available. So if I change this to probably Tolani or Tola, and then I do that again, great choice, your username is available. If I pick this and put that here, and I run that again, sorry, that username is not available. So that is it for today's video. I hope you found this real life example of using the String.include method to choose a username helpful. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you would like to learn about JavaScript or coding in real life scenario, let me know down in the comment section. Thank you.